In this experiment, we'll separate an unknown liquid from a non-volatile impurity by simple distillation. You'll be able to use the boiling point range to determine the identity of the unknown, which will be one of the compounds listed in the following table. Set up a simple distillation apparatus similar to the one described in the lab book. You'll use a 50 milliliter round bottom flask for the distilling flask and a 25 milliliter graduated cylinder as the receiver.
Before assembling, make sure your glass joints are properly greased, otherwise they will freeze. Begin by grabbing a condenser and secure it with clamps on a ring stand. Make sure the clamps are high enough to allow space for a jack and heating mantle underneath. This will allow for easy removal of the heating source if needed. Attach a distillation head to the condenser and secure it with a clip.
Then attach a thermometer and adapter to the top of the head. Clip a vacuum or vent adapter to the other end of the condenser. Connect the yellow hoses to the condenser. In hose to the bottom and out hose to the top, and turn on the water. Last but not least, attach a round bottom flask to the distillation head.
Add a few bowling chips to a flask and add 20 milliliters of the unknown.
Be sure to record the unknown code in your lab book.
Grease a round bottom flask and attach to the distillation head with a clamp.
Connect the yellow hoses to the condenser. In hose to the bottom and out hose to the top, and turn on the water.
Raise the jack and turn on the heating mantle. Heat the flask so that 1 to 3 drops per second distill over into the receiver. Remove the heat when only 1 or 2 mils of liquid remain in the pot. Record your first temperature only after 4 to 6 drops of liquid have distilled over, and periodically throughout the distillation. Measure the final volume of your unknown and calculate the percent recovery. Use the data from the table of properties above to determine the likely identity of your unknown.